Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Anyways, I have a customer who wanted me to check out his charging port, and I'm just beside myself. Like, this is the dirtiest belly button I've seen in my life. Just watch. There's my camera. Okay. Let's see. Can I get you guys in here? I already started cleaning it a little bit, too. That's the funny part. See how dirty that is, y'all? Oh, my goodness. Right there. Okay, so let's start the cleaning process. Oops. Just get my ass out of here. Right there. See if we can drag some lint out. See all that we're dragging out? That's all filth. Oh goodness. And he was just like, I just don't understand why it's not charging. Oh goodness. It's a dust bunny community in here. My God. Lord of mercy. Okay, see how that's looking. Oh, much better. Flip it on the side. Make sure we got everything out of the other corner. Oh, much better. That is looking fan-fucking-tastic. There we go. See how much clearer it is now, people? Can you all see? Let's see. Yeah. Much, much prettier. Okay, so while we're at it, we're also gonna do the, actually, let's do the grills right here. So what we do is we get them all out. Hope you all can still see. It was making me cross-eyed. I'm already pretty nauseous today. I don't need to add that by making me cross-eyed. Alright. Okay. Okie doke. Set it up. We'll go to the other side. Okay, that is looking legit. Well, isn't that pretty? All sides look pretty good. Yep, and then it's just a matter of cleaning this bad boy. Clean your parts, people. Don't be nasty. Happy Valentine's Day, guys.